If you're looking for a way to switch things on and off with your lighting and other things, and you're not using DMX, or you have supplemental lights you want to turn on and off that maybe aren't DMX, Amazon has these 5 packs of outlets with remotes, and they work through walls. And some of the reviews say that once power is cut, you have to reprogram them, which you don't. You just give it under a minute, they flash, and then they resync, as long as you don't press any buttons on the remote. I have pictures of the Amazon products on here, and I prefer this power strip because it holds 10 and the plugs are turned the correct way. And the plugs are white, but I put black tape around them so they black out from the back and the sides. And I labeled each one 1 through 5, A through E for the first remote, and 2 through 5 of them with A through E. So there's 10 outlets. They give you 2 remotes for each 5, so there's 4. I have 2 extra. I put the red and yellow tape on all of them, just for the first 5 is red, number 1 remote, the second 5 is yellow, number 2 remote. And on the back of the remotes and on the light bar there, I put what they are. And I labeled the top of the remote, so I can plug in the floods or whatever is that one's labeled. You can lay the bar on the ground behind your lighting, plug everything in, or I got a Velcro strap at each end with tie wraps. You can hang it vertically on the bar, but I can go in the other room and turn these on and off. They really work great. These are just plugs. They pull right out. Black tape on the sides. That's E for the way their buttons are labeled. That's the little red light on there that flashes, and you can do all on or all off. So this particular power strip has 10. You can do longer and have a couple outlets that are always on, or you can add more packs. And you can program more than 1 pack to 1 button. So you can hit 1 button and have 2, 3, 4, I think even up to 5 come on. Or you can use a Y cord if you want to plug a couple lights into one. This really works good. I'll show you how it syncs. I'll turn the power strip on. All the buttons, all outlets are flashing. The little red light. Don't touch any buttons on the remotes. If you do, you may have to reprogram it. They're super easy. You plug it in, the light flashes, you hit what button you want it to activate on. It's that simple. Same way to deprogram it. You set off. Okay, all the lights are off. It resynced itself. Now here's the first 5 in red. On. Or all off. All on. All off. The second 5. All off. You can have as many packs as you want. They don't interfere with each other, even though they're on the same frequency, because they do a random code for each one. So when I hit 1A, only the first one goes on, not the A of the second one. That takes the other remote. So if you're looking for a great way to switch things on and off with remotes that actually work and don't have to be line of sight, this is really nice. Super easy to program. Just put them in a power strip if you want to do it that way, or you can plug them in the wall, whatever you prefer. I just put on there what's going in each one. I labeled each one. Remote 1, A, B, C, D, E. Remote 2, A, B, C, D, E. Labeled the back of the remotes what they are so I remember. All on. That's the second one. All on the first one. All off. All off. Great product. You can use them any way you want. That's the power strip that I show you in the pictures and the packs. I got the 5-pack with 2 remotes. I got 2 of those. So I got 10 units with 4 remotes. I just use 2 remotes, of course, and I have 2 extra. But check them out. They work good. If you're not using DMX or you have extra lights. But it's a good product and a good thing to put together if you can use it. Hope it helps.